All right, so the next thing we'll do now is joining staff PCs to the company's domain. For example, if you have a 20 employee, first thing we need to do is to join all the 20 employee system to the company's domain so that any policy you are making inside the domain automatically is going to be working on all the employee. It's inside that domain you can be making changes, you can be adding any policy, and it's going to be working for the entire employee. So how do we join the company's system to the company's domain? So if you come up, you bring up your Windows 10. So once you bring up your Windows 10, you open the File Explorer, which is the first thing here. You open File Explorer. So, all right. So once you open File Explorer, you click on this PC. Here is this PC. So you're going to right click on it. So once you right click on this PC, you click on Properties. So once you click on the properties, you're going to drag down and you're going to see advanced system settings, which is the next thing. You click on advanced system settings. So once you click on advanced system settings, you're going to click on computer name at the top. So once you click on computer name, you're going to click on change. Once you click on change, you're going to put the company domain name here. So we want to join this Windows 10 here to the company domain name so that any policy we are putting inside the server, it will be working for this company's employees PC. So here we're going to put the name of the domain where we are using fibertrain.net. Make sure that you specify the normal domain you are using on the server. That time we are creating Active Directory. The domain we use over there, it must be the domain you use here. If there is any difference, there will be error. So after that, you click OK. So once you click OK, immediately this guy going to be prompted to insert the server username and password. So you're going to put the username and password of the server. And if you can remember, when we are installing that server comes with a default username of a administrator. So you put the administrator as a username and come to the password. Put the password that you are using to log into your server. So you're going to specify the password you are using to log into your server and you click on OK. So we hold on for a message. So we're going to see on the Windows 10, we see a message that says, "Welcome to fibertrain.net domain." So we're going to click on OK. Your Windows 10 going to be restarted. You click on Close and you're going to click on Restart Now. So once this guy finished restarted, we have successfully joined the Windows 10 to the company's domain. So that's how you join Windows 10 to a company's domain. So let's hold on for the Windows 10 to come up. So we're going to hold on for the Windows 10 to come up. All right. So once the Windows 10 is up, we're going to be logging, in. But when we are now logging in, we will be logging in with the employees and information. Can log into one of the employees' accounts. Let's log into Sammy that belongs to HR department. So just put Sammy, which is the username and the password. You're going to put the password. And you're going to click on sign in. So you're going to say login in Sammy. Oh, Sammy. So you're going to let this guy to log in. So let's log into this user's account. So we hold on for this guy to boot finish. All right. So we are able to log into one of the employees' accounts. So if you want to check, maybe this system is already joined to the domain successfully. If you open this file explorer, so we're going to open the file explorer. We want to verify. We right click on this PC and we'll click on properties. So we want to verify maybe it successfully joins to the domain or not. So once you click on properties, even if you come here, you will see the full device name. This is the name of the system, and you will see that it's connected to a fibertrain.net, which is our domain name. And if you scroll down, you come to advanced system settings. It's going to be asking you for the information of the server before you can do anything. This telling you that you are successfully connect the system to the company's domain. Before employees can make changes to the system, it's going to prompt a page to insert the information of the administrator password, which means that no way the employees will be able to make any type of changes on the system anymore. So as you can see, if you come here, you're going to see that this guy is a member of a fibertrain.net. All right, so that's how you join a Windows, a company Windows to the company's domain name.